भलायकी खातें आतां खंय वखदां पुरता. प्रुडंटान एक्सपोज केल्लो स्टॉक आपलोच म्हूण खातें आतां मान्य करता. फोडून ना केल्यात ती वखदां खंय सबस्टँडर्ड. वखदाची पाकिटां कडेक काडून ती वखदां खंय ते फोंडकुलांनी पुरतले. ही वखदां टॉयलेटींतल्यान गटारांत सोडटात म्हणून प्रुडंटाक फोटोय मेळिल्ले. वखदां पयलीं हुलपयताले, उपरांत गटारांतल्यान फ्लश करूंक लागले. आतां खंय पुरतात. कदंब पठाराचेर हुलपयल्ल्या वखदांचें मात कोणूच नांव काडिना.
पयलीं प्रुडंटाक कदंब पठाराचेर जळयल्लो वखदांचो स्टॉक मेळ्ळो. उपरांत बेती आनी म्हापशा स्क्रॅप यार्डांनी वखदांची फोडिल्ली पाकिटां मेळ्ळी. उपरांत खात्याच्या पणजेच्या मुखेल कॉम्प्लेक्सान बालद्यांनी एकठांय केल्लो फोडिल्लो सब स्टँडर्ड वखदांचो स्टॉक मेळ्ळो. आतां भलायकी खात्यान तोंड उगडलां. वखदां खंय तांचीच, ती बी सब स्टँडर्ड. मात बायोमेडिकल वखदांचो विलो लावपाची वेवस्था खात्या कडेन ना.
Whatever drugs which you have showed, they were declared substandard by Directorate of Food and Drug Administration. Now, as per the guidelines, whenever tablets you want to dispose, you have to remove the tablets out and separate that silver foil or the paper separate. Once the paper or the silver foil is taken, that silver foil becomes a non-biomedical waste. So that can be disposed in common paper waste, okay, how we do at home and all. Now, whatever tablets are taken separately, that has to be disposed either by incinerator or by deep burial, and this is what we are doing. And the manufactured by Messrs. Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals, Virbhadra, Uttarakhand.
Quantity कितली असली ती substandard ची?
About 1 lakh of tablets. There are two ways. One, we inform the company and then they send a replacement to us, or the other way, other thing is, if they don't give the replacement, then we deduct from the bill.
भलायकी खात्याच्या कॉम्प्लेक्सान ना करता ती वखदां आपलीच म्हूण भलायकी खातें आतां मान्य करता. मात कदंब पठाराचेर जळयल्लो स्टॉक आपलोच म्हणपाक खातें फुडें सरना. पयलीं वखदां जायटाले, उपरांत टॉयलेटींतल्यान गटारांक सोडूंक लागले. आतां खंय पुरतात. आतां त्यो सुवाती सोदच्यो पडटल्यो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट लौकीक शिलकार आनी चेतन गवस.
लोक हेली टुरिजमा आड ना, मात पर्यावरण काबार करूं नाकात. गांवांत हाडचे परस शारांनी हेली टुरिजम व्हरात म्हूण कोळंगूटचो आदलो आमदार आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस उलयता. हेली टुरिजमा आड लोक खंय कोर्टांत वचपाकय तयार जाल्यात. आग्नेल आनी थळावे मुखेल सचिवाक मेळ्ळे. लोक मंगळारा राज्यपालाकय मेळपाचे आसात. आग्वादास सरकार हेलिकॉप्टर टुरिजम सुरू करता.
They are going to cordon it off, make it in the airport, try to deprive our locals of their livelihood. In other countries, there is helicopter tourism. I'm not against helicopter tourism. Take it to the hinterland, take it to the cities. Abroad also, they do the cities. What are you going to see on the beach? The people who come to Goa come to relax on the beaches. You take it to some other places, don't destroy the ecology. The tourists are complaining, whether it is 2-bladed or 4-bladed, they go over this. If you go on the Aguada Plateau itself, you can see the whole beach. Why do you need a helicopter to go to see the beach? You take them somewhere else. They have said they are going to take us head on. We are ready to take them also head on. Whether it is physically or whether we have to go to the court of law or whatever. People are fed up of this government. Every household have signed that they don't want this. Still the government wants to go ahead. And today we have given a memorandum to the Chief Secretary. Tomorrow we are going to meet the governor.
एक्टिविस्ट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीसा आड FIR घालून सरकार विरोध करतल्यांचो आवाज दामूक सोदता म्हूण राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन टिका केल्या. केंद्रांत आपल्या उतराक वजन आसा म्हूण सांगपी पर्रीकाराचें स्मार्ट सिटीचें उतर कशें भायर पडलें. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या पयल्या 20 लिस्टांतल्यान पणजेक भायर मारिल्ल्यान BJPच्यो फटाश्यो एक्सपोज जाल्यात म्हूण राजन उलयलो.
And this is a clear slap on the face of the Union Defence Minister, who keeps on fooling the people of Goa that he has tremendous influence by holding an important position in the cabinet. This Parrikar, who is to tom around and project himself as a smart Parrikar, has today proved once again to be a smart liar, as certified by a respectable RSS leader Subhash Velinkar. On 13th May 2015, that all dual citizen cases in Goa should be kept as status quo. And it is based on this circular, they have moved the court to close the cases. So if this is happening, why the FIR against Iris Rodriguez is being registered? To harass? To silence the opposition? Is this not blatant victimization of people who are bringing the truth out? We demand that this government immediately cancel that FIR.
घेऊया एक विराम.